2 to 3 hours. Kasama na po dito yung socials and yung dinner part po. We have to note na we have 2 performers po. So, yung performance po nito is around mga 20 to 30 minutes po per performer. And then, but the duration of the program po will run around 2 hours now. So, yung 1 hour po is on the dinner and the socials and the performance.
Yes, okay.
Exact time ng mismong program proper para sa kaalaman ng ating mga viewers. By the way, I'm Gab Vera, Sports Corner PH, People's Journal Tonight. Good morning.
Thank you, Dan. Good morning. The program will start by 5 p.m. Registration of the invitees will start by 4 p.m.
So meaning, itong mismong Philippine Sports Hall of Fame will definitely be a grand year. Pero sabihin natin simple na lang kasi alam naman natin in the past editions na ng awarding, ginaganap ito before sa Rizal, ginaganap ito sa PICC. At one point, nung pandemic, sinagawa ito online. Pero this is the first time na magkaroon kayo ng in-person after many years na nagkaroon ng break ng pandemic. So, preparation sa ating mismong competition. Kasi nakita naman natin na kung gaano kasimple, mas tinatabaw niya ng bawat personnel ng PSC ito para maging bongga at simple itong competition na ito. Pakipaliwanag natin sa atin.
Sir, let me use the word yung bongga. Really mean that. Kasi since ito yung pagbabalik after the pandemic, we wanted to have a ceremony that is very symbolic and symbol. So kung mapapansin po ninyo, we will have may papasinayahan po kaming tatlo ngayon. Not just the Chinese, we will adopt the Chinese, papasinayahan din po namin yung bagong tropeo and yung bagong PSC house. So that will be very symbolic po for the 5th Enshrine ceremony.
Ma'am, what are your future plans para dito sa Philippine Sports Hall of Fame? Kasi nabanggit natin may mga hinihintay pa tayong mga bills. Aside from that, base sa pinag-usapan nyo kanina, yung mga memorabilia ng mga Hall of Famers, ipe-place din sa magiging Hall of Fame Museum dito pa rin sa PSC House. So, may coordination ka ba with the past Hall of Famers na pwedeng ipagamit na yung mga natatago nilang paraphernalia o memorabilia para dito sa ating gagawing Hall of Fame Museum?
Actually, sir, we already have an existing Philippine Sports Museum.
Yes.
It is now located in PhilSports, sir. Nandun na po yung mga na-donate sa atin ng mga kilalang athletes like si Manny Pacquiao, Piasis Beltware, yung mga iba pa. Adeline. Oo, kay Adeline din. And marami-rami na rin ang nandun, sir. We had the museum before. Dito po, katabi ng ating PNB, no? And now it's already part of the PSC house.
Lastly, with this ceremony nga ng Philippine Sports Hall of Fame this coming June 20, makaasa pa ba na of course magbibigay pa ba ng dagdag boost at inspiration not just sa mga Hall of Famers na rin, but even in the future generations of sporting athletes na maybe someday susundan nila yung PAC or titingalain talaga sa spotlight ng ating mga kabataan yung mga achievements ng bawat Hall of Famers na ipaparangalan natin and even in the past editions. Salamat po.
Yes, sir. Lahat ng ating mga atleta ay tumitingala nga sa mga previous Hall of Famers din natin at Shrine, and they want to follow the examples of our Hall of Famers. From achievements, even po dito sa discipline ng ating mga nahirang na Hall of Famers.
Morning, ma'am. Yung mga iba bang previous